So a quick follow-up on the welding with car batteries. First of all, nobody should ever do anything that I'm doing on here. Just say that. Second of all, if you are to do this, these are the things that I suggest that I've learned from it. One, make sure these batteries are fully charged and they're similar in charge before you start. These are two different batteries, two different cold cranking amps, two different reserve hours. Doesn't matter. What matters is that you have them both up around the same charge, because one's going to deplete the other if it's not. I had both these probably halfway charged and got about 25 minutes of good welding out of it. And I ran them right down to where I could barely strike an arc. I wouldn't suggest doing that. I'd suggest stopping, allowing them to recharge, going again. Next thing I will say too is that one of my jumper cables I had on here was arcing out on one run. You want to make sure that that does not happen, because sparks around a battery are not a good idea. As you can see the remnants of where it was arcing out. It's a good way to blow up if you're not careful. Next thing is I ran these in series, meaning my negative from this one went to my positive of this one. Then my negative of this one ran to my ground, to my metal. My positive to this one ran to my welding lead. So they took a whooping. This one's just coming back now, 13.5. This one I got back to 14.7. It took about a day to get them fully recharged back up. And I'd have them fully charged, take breaks, recharge. I did get about 25 minutes of welding, and I did get this whole top run burned in. Some of it, as you can see when I started and had good voltage, did pretty damn good. That's very thick metal. And the other thing I wanted to comment about this is that I used this 1/8 inch rod. Anything thicker than that, it didn't like it. It didn't want to burn in at all, and anything smaller than that, it burned holes right through that metal. So 1/8 inch rod seems to be where it's at for using battery power to weld with. And I do have MIG wire now, so I'm going to get back to that and get this sucker all burned in, and I'll do a follow-up video about what this plow blade's all about and building it from scraps of nothing and making it work. And that's what we're about here.